Okay, this is the second part of our video here. If you recall, we left off when we were in ArcView with our table open. We were looking at structure number, and we just took out the hyphen in there by going to Options and then Find Replace. Okay, and again, we have to do this in an edit session, which means you go to Editor and you can start editing or stop editing. We're going to go ahead and stop editing here. Since we've already replaced our hyphen, we got that taken care of. It asks you if you want to save your edits. We want to click yes. Okay, we're going to close that attribute table. Now what we want to do is download the SIMS data. If you're familiar again with the IDOT website, you'll go back there and under the County Engineers page, you'll go to SIMS and then SIMS data files, and then I think you click on Access Databases, and you'll navigate to your county here and download the executable file. And then once you download that executable file and run it, you should be able to save the SIMS information, the database on your computer there. I've got mine under a folder called Structures. So what I'm going to do once I have the SIMS data downloaded is I'm going to right click again up top on the Add Data, and then I'm going to find my SIMS data here. It'll be in your table called SIMS and then your county number. And we're going to click on that and we're going to add. Okay, then we're going to add the IACE summary state and local table. Again, we're just adding a table out of the SIMS database. Go ahead and click add for that. And what that does is it adds it into your GIS map, and it's under the source tab here, but you want to go back under display here is what we're familiar with using. There's display, source, and selection tabs. You'll primarily use the display one. But again, we'll right click on the structures file, the layer. We're going to go down here to joins and relates. What we're going to do is create a join here between the information we downloaded, the GIS shapefile we downloaded, and the SIMS database. We're going to create a join so we can refer to that information. So you want to click join, and then it says join attributes from a table. That's what we're going to do here. So you want to click under the first drop down menu here. We're going to select SN, and again we're selecting this from the shapefile, and then it's already got highlighted the IACE summary table there. And then again on the second drop down we're going to select SN, and this is the structure number located in the SIMS database. And it gives you the option whether to keep all records or just the matching records. So we're going to keep all records. Let's go ahead and click OK. Alright, now once we've done that, let's go back up here to our structure layer, right click again, and go to Open Attribute Table. And as you can see here, if we scroll over, we've got quite a bit of information in here now. This is all the SIMS data that's linked into here now. And you can see it's a lot more useful information here probably. And again, some of the maybe applicable, but again, like I mentioned, this contains the state bridges too. So that's something we'll want to do is filter those down. But I want to give you an example here of how you can use this information. Now if we close that attribute table, let's go over to the Identify tool here in ArcView. We're going to click on the little eye there to identify. And you can find the bridge you're looking for if you know where it's at, and you can add, again, if you add information such as townships and cities, it'll be easier to find them. But just click on it with the little eye icon there, and then you can see now we've got a lot more data in here. This is all information out of the SIMS database. These first few items where you see it's got them listed here, that's information from the shapefile we downloaded. But then as you get farther down here, all this information is from the SIMS database. Tells you what road it's on, so any of that information is accessible. It's very useful information, and there's a lot more you can do with it than that. It's just a brief overview of how to get to that point. I'll go ahead and put my contact information up here. Feel free to call me if you got any questions. Again, you do need to have the ArcGIS, the ArcView software to do this, but there's much more than that you can do. And thank you for your time.